Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing only what matters. Set your Git identity and create the project folder. Once done, initialize the repository with Git in it and immediately add a concise Git ignore to avoid noise. Then stage the files you want tracked with Git add and create the first commit, Git commit m initial commit. This first commit anchors history so you can experiment safely. Make sure to commit intentionally, small. Descriptive commits make later merges and rollbacks far simpler and more predictable. You now adopt a disciplined branching workflow. Create a feature branch for each task with Git checkout B and work there. Commit often with clear messages so each change is reviewable. Once your feature is tested locally, switch to main and pull the latest to avoid conflicts. Then merge or open a pull request. If conflicts arise, resolve them in your editor, test again, and commit the resolution. This routine keeps main stable, isolates work. You finish by syncing with the remote. Git push your branch to origin and open a pull request when ready. Once merged, pull main to keep local up to date. If something goes wrong, use git log and git diff to understand what changed, and git reflog to find lost commits. If you must run risky commands like git reset hard, first create a backup branch to preserve state. That one precaution often saves hours. Make it your standard safety step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.